Solved how to fix It Takes Two FPS drops on Windows PC. 1. Install the latest game patch. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Turn off Steam overlay. 4. Optimize the graphics settings. 4.1 Modify NVIDIA graphics card settings. 4.1.1 Add It Takes Two app into Manage 3D settings list. 4.1.2 Modify following settings: CUDA, GPUs, set it to your dedicated GPU. Power management mode, set it to prefer maximum performance. Texture filtering, set it to performance. 4.2 Modify AMD graphics card settings. 4.2.1 Open AMD Radeon setting, go to Gaming Global Settings. 4.2.2 Modify the settings this way. 5. Disable background recording at Xbox Game Bar. 6. Close other demanding apps running in the background. 7. Set the power plan of your PC for best performance.